I'm making this video during the Lunar New Year, and I would like to wish everybody a wealthy and happy New Year. 新年快乐!
Golden spring roll symbolize golden bars, and yes, it's nice to have some or to eat some.
Hi, today I would like to share with you one of the most popular Lunar New Year dishes. It is crispy spring roll. And today I have a little helper, but I don't know where she is.
Hi, my name is Neena, and I am Auntie Neena's little helper, and I also brought a little helper to help us.
Hi, my name is Caleb, and I'm here to help.
That sounds good. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Good.
Yay!
I was able to get all my ingredients for the spring roll at 99 Ranch Market. I also grabbed some of the Lunar New Year goodies. To get ready for my celebration, Step 1. Spring roll filling preparation. What I show you here is just the base filling. Please adjust it per your taste. For the meat, I used ground chicken and shrimp together this time. For noodles, soak it with the room temperature water for 10 minutes and then cut it into 2 inches long. For the wood ear mushroom, we're going to cut off the hard part at the middle. You can also use shiitake mushroom or any kind of mushroom. For vegetable, we use cabbage and carrot. Sometimes I like to put the bamboo shoot as well. It tastes very good. Mixing all of these ingredients is not required, but it's going to make it faster and easier when you cook. Now I'm ready to cook spring roll filling. Let me check with my helpers.
Yeah.
Ready? Good.
Yay!
At medium heat, add oil, garlic, onion, and our meat. Cook it until 80% cooked. Add vegetable, vermicelli, and mixed sauce. Stir it about 1 minute. No need to cook it too long because we're going to deep fry it later. Taste it and feel free to add more soy sauce, sugar, or pepper per your taste.
Now we have to prepare our wrapper first. This brand is very good.
You can find the spring roll wrappers in the frozen section. Make sure to leave it at room temperature until it's soft. Then peel it gently one by one and cover it with the damp towel to retain the moisture so it won't break when you wrap it. This can be the family activities bonding time. Now step 2, wrapping spring rolls. Beat 1 egg and use it as a glue to seal the wrapper, or you can use the mixture of water and flour. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of the filling per 1 spring roll. Roll it tightly from the bottom up to halfway. Then fold both sides in. Keep rolling to the top and seal it with the beaten egg. It's done. It can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 days or in the freezer for a month before frying. My helpers are really working hard here. Step 3, frying. I'm going to show you 3 options. Option 1, frying on the stove top. Option 2, with air fryer. Option 3, using oven. Starting with option 1 at high heat, 350 Fahrenheit. You can test the heat by dropping off a little piece of the wrapper. If it is boiling and bubbling, that means it's hot enough. Carefully drop spring roll in the hot oil. Make sure there are no children around the stove when you're frying it. It takes about 5 minutes to get golden brown spring rolls. Super crunchy.
Wow. How was it?
Good.
Good. Okay. Approve.
Option 2, air fryer. Spray cooking oil on the rack and all over the spring rolls. Air fry at 380 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes each side. After first 8 minutes, take it out, flip it over, spray it one more time, and then air fry another 8 minutes. It looks crispy and healthy.
Here is the final product of Kellogg's. It's very crunchy. Very good. The sauce makes it even better. You wanna try yours?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. It's good and crunchy.
Mm. You like it? No vegetable. Sorry.
Option 3. Using oven. Spray cooking oil on the rack and all over the spring rolls. Boil each side for 8 minutes. After the first 8 minutes, take it out, flip it over, and then boil another 8 minutes. It's done! Well done cooking our spring rolls. It's crunchy and delicious by itself. For Thai people, we eat it with Thai sweet chili sauce. It is really good. Please try it. For vegetarian version, we'll use half pound or half block of the frozen tofu, cut into half-inch cubes. Here are ingredients. We're going to fry tofu for about 1 to 2 minutes first, and then add garlic, onion, and sauce, vegetable, and noodles. Stir another 1 minute. We don't need to get it to cook because it's going to be deep fried later. Please go to step 2 wrapping and step 3 frying in this video. I hope that you enjoy making spring rolls for your family or to make it with your family. Enjoy!